To continue with our review of project selection methods, one technique is called the cost-benefit analysis. This is where you compare the cost to produce the product, service, or results of the project to the benefit, which is usually financial, that the organization will receive from the project. It includes not only project costs, but also the cost of delivery to market and ongoing operational support costs. An example of this would be a company considering the installation of a packaged software to support its financial systems. The costs would include the software purchase, programming, testing, hardware, and ongoing support and maintenance costs. Benefits would include reduction of backlog of transactions for book entries, reduction of any penalties due to more efficient and up-to-date financial systems, and cost avoidance for hiring additional clerks to support the workload over a 3-year period. If the benefits are greater than the costs, the project should receive a go recommendation. As we discussed earlier, companies use benefit measurement models to compare different projects against criteria that they believe are important for meeting a company's strategic objectives. In a scoring model, also known as a weighted scoring model, criteria is identified, weighted based on its importance, and then the projects are rated against each of these criteria. Multiplied by the weighting factor helps to clearly identify the projects that best meet a company's strategic goals. Here's an example of a weighted scoring model. Down the left side of the table, we have the criteria that the selection committee has identified. You'll see that the projects are being rated on their revenue potential, market demand, ease of installation, and ease of support. Moving to the right, at the top, we see the weight column, Project A and its scores, its totals, and then the same for Project B. The committee, on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 as the highest, has revenue potential as the most important criteria for the project with a 5. Then market demand was rated as a 4, and so on. Project A rated well in revenue potential with a 5, and with the weighted score, its total was 25. Project B did not do as well, and with a rating of 3, its total was only 15. The same calculation is applied to the projects for each criteria, and the results show that Project A has a total score of 48, while Project B has a total score of 37. In this example, Project A would be selected over Project B. In the next section, I'll review the cash flow analysis models in close detail.